It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to discuss the Atlantis handbag, the BB size, and also the GM size. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
First, we want to start off speaking on this handbag just for a little bit, and then we will move on to the Atlantis. This is the LV Noe purse, LV Charms. It's a long name, but that's the name. The price is $2,720. It comes in reverse monogram and also black leather. Very cute. It's so beautiful. I am a huge fan of the Nano Noe. I love this handbag so much, and I'm only trying to compare to see if the size is equivalent or if this is actually going to be smaller. Of course, guys, it's expensive for the size. I told you guys, LV the price increase is here, but we are also paying for all of the beautiful gold hardware that's going to be on this handbag. It comes with a long strap, a long leather strap, carefree, and also, guys, the famous gold chain strap that they are putting on all these handbags and adding an extra $500 to $700 as well. So we are paying for the chain straps they are adding, but let's just keep our fingers crossed. We rather have gold chain straps than the guitar straps. So let's just be thankful, okay? Because I have seen them slow down, but it's going to pick back up. I'm letting you guys know in advance. So let me know, how do you feel about this? Again, the price is $2,720. Shout out to info.lv on Instagram for providing the pictures. I really do appreciate you always tagging me. But again, this comes in reverse monogram and black only. Beautiful gold hardware. The inside smooth microfiber material. I even love the placement of the drawstring. Do you see how it is at the top rather than, you know, around? The top part is at the top. It's sitting at the top. So I love how they kind of created a different look for the Noe. This is so cute. I even love all the placement of the gold hardware, guys. This is beautiful. Now, all we needed in this was probably a BB size. I would have accepted a BB size in this, except for the Atlantis BB. If this was in a BB size, this would be beautiful. If it was in an MM size, a PM, I don't care, long as it's bigger than this. But of course, the price would go up as well. So I just wanted to go over this right quick. If you guys want it, reach out to your CAs. I'm not sure if this is going to be a worldwide release or a release in Korea. So, you know, reach out to your CAs, ask them, get your order in. Again, it's releasing tomorrow, so we should know by midnight if it's on our website or not. Okay, so let's move on to the beautiful Atlantis BB, the Atlantis GM. This shook up the LV community like all week, even last week. Well, it's been shaking up my life for some months now since I found out about it. First and foremost, the size confirmed, Atlantis BB or the Atlantis GM in monogram, okay? So we know the sizes. The price, I'm not too happy about the Atlantis BB being $3,100. That's confirmed. Hey, gotta get over it. The Atlantis GM in monogram, we are not getting the MM size. The Atlantis GM, $3,450. This is in monogram, okay? We just recently found out they are coming out with the Atlantis GM in reverse monogram, but this is going to be a Korea release only. So guys, if we start walking now, we can get there by November 2nd, so we can be there for the launch date of November 3rd. So we have to leave now so we can make it by November 2nd, because launch date is November 3rd. So we can be there to pick up our handbags, okay? So I am so hurt by that. I am so hurt. And the thing that gets me, guys, what I am hurt about is this small handbag being $3,100. This is $3,100, okay? This is $3,450. A bigger handbag, more canvas, and not only that, it comes with a pochette. Why? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Is it because it's reverse monogram? Is it because the monogram on the GM has vachetta? I mean, I really don't understand. I don't get it. But then again, looking at the reverse monogram in the GM size that we are not getting, is still $3,450. So why would that BB size be so much compared to the GM size? I am so, I'm confused. I don't understand. And I'm asking my CAs questions and they don't understand either. So guys, if someone told you why the price is like this, please let me know in the comments, because I am so confused at this point. But then again, let's just move on from it. It's not going to change, like I said. But let's get into just some small details on this Atlantis BB, okay? We see that it comes with a leather and gold chain strap. Of course, guys, the front, the bag tag, you can replace that, but that black looks amazing on that reverse monogram, okay? It looks amazing on the reverse monogram. And it also comes with a tie strap as well if we want to actually close the handbag, which was very smart. I'm loving that. Very, very smart. The inside, the darker brown textile material, well, it's not darker. It's like a caramel color to match the reverse monogram. I think that should have been black as well. But gold hardware, this is carefree. And guys, we can take this strap off. We can take the strap off if we don't want to use it. And yes, it does look like a grocery bag. I cannot unsee it. It's here. I can't unsee it. But it's a very luxurious, grocery bag. And I want it. But I don't want to pay $3,100 for the price, okay? So the Atlantis BB, like I said, very cute. Inside, they could at least add it up. Some type of compartment, zipper compartment, something. Is nothing inside. I just cannot see why this is $3,100. I just don't see it. Okay, so moving on. I'm not here for this vachetta. I'm not here for this vachetta at all. It could have been black. Black leather. They could have gave us black leather. I'm not here for this at all. I don't like how the monogram and the vachetta looks with this. I don't know. Or treated vachetta. They could have darkened up the vachetta. They could have gave us treated vachetta on this handbag. But of course, everything on here we can take off. So we can take the bag tag off and replace that with a gold bag charm. Basically anything. If you have the Odeon MM or PM, that comes with a black bag tag. Take that off and add it on to the Atlantis GM. Okay, do you guys hear what I'm saying? If you have the Odeon handbag, take the black bag tag off that's in the front and add it to the Atlantis GM in monogram. That's perfect. That's perfect, guys. And we can take the strap off, so we don't have to have this strap on. We can just carry this as a tote. Okay, now I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited. I just thought about that. So we can take that off, and then it comes with a pochette. Okay, we can't do anything about the little bit of vachetta on the pochette. Basically, that's going to stay inside anyway, so I'm not worried about it. But this is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. I love this. And it seems at the top like it has a button to where we can close these handbags, guys. Do you see that? On the Atlantis GM, I'm looking. It's like we can close it. It's like a button closure there. Even on the Atlantis BB. Okay, so we are going to be able to close these handbags, hopefully. Fingers crossed, okay? I'm excited. And it's the same textile material. No inside compartments, but at least they do provide a pochette for us, okay? So this is amazing. And guys, this is permanent. This is part of the permanent collection from Louis Vuitton. So if you don't get the first wave and it shows out of stock, you didn't pre-order, it's okay. It's going to be here to stay. So I'm excited about that. I will be able to actually go in and try these handbags on. And I know for sure I'm going to pass on the reverse monogram Atlantis BB due to the price. I just can't see myself paying for that, okay? But I also want to point out before I end this video, they are adding pochettes to all of these large handbags. Are you guys seeing this? I'm paying attention and I'm noticing. Even with the Loop GM, did you see the pochette? Did you see the pochette? The Atlantis GM, the pochette. This handbag here, I'm not sure of the name yet, but I'm pretty sure I will find out soon if some of you guys know. But this comes with a pochette, a small pochette as well. Okay, I don't want to call it an Alma handbag. To me, it looks like an Alma handbag, but I'm pretty sure that's not the name. So if you do know the name, please drop it in the comments. But this comes with a pochette as well. So it seems like all the larger handbags they are rolling out, they are adding pochettes too. So far, guys, we have the Loop GM, like I said, the Atlantis GM, and then we have this beautiful handbag here that's coming out. So I'm guessing that's a new thing that they are adding, and they are taking the inside. Guys, do you notice the inside zipper compartments away and replacing with the small pochettes? Because the Loop GM does not have a side zipper compartment. It does not have a side zipper compartment, but it has a pochette. The Atlantis GM, if you look inside, it does not have a side zipper compartment. It has the pochette. And I will get an updated picture. My CA just let me know that, hey, this handbag, if I'm interested, it does come with a small pochette inside. So I just wanted to point that out. I'm not sure if you guys are paying attention, but we need to start paying attention to the things that LV, what they are doing and what they are changing, and especially pay attention to the price of these canvas handbags that they are releasing. They are hitting us up. Oh, they are hitting us upside the head very, very hard. So I wanted to bring that to you guys' attention. I am still excited. So the launch date is November 3rd for the Atlantis handbags. Let me know, are you going for the BB in the reverse monogram, or are you going for the Atlantis GM in the monogram? And if anyone can get me that reverse monogram, besties, Korea, if any of you guys can reach out to me, your CA, I don't care. I need to get this in the GM size, okay? I will pay the $3,450 for the GM size with the pochette, but not for the Atlantis BB. Come on, guys. We have to think smart. Even though I want to do it, I really want the handbag. I want to add it to my collection, but I just cannot justify that price right now, okay? So, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. As stated, let me know in the comments which handbag you are going for. And if I do get that Atlantis BB, don't come for me. Don't come for me. Right now, I'm real tough. But if I end up getting weak and I purchase, just mind your business, okay? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.